Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Vindaye Poisson. And it's a typical dish from Mauritius. It's basically fried fish combined with spices and pickled onion. So let's begin. Soak the onion in vinegar for about 15 minutes. Add salt and pepper to the fish. Deep fry the fish until golden brown. In a measuring cup, add a little bit of water, garlic, mustard seed, fenugreek seed, turmeric powder, then blend it. In a pan, add oil, then add the Vindaye mixture. Then goes the fish, onion, little bit of vinegar, the chili, and let it cook for 2 more minutes before turning off the stove. Taste before I draw. Oh my god, it's like a heaven in my mouth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share.